Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajmain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this short video I will introduce a little bit about myself, but I will not talk about my family because I'm privacy person. So the first one is, my name is Muhammad Syukur bin Muhammad Sharif. Anyone can call me Syukur. I'm 21 years old and I'm stay at Tanjung Karang, Kuala Selangor. But for now I'm stay at my brother's house, which is at section 25 Shah Alam. It is because close to UiTM Shah Alam, and I can ride motorcycle every day to UiTM Shah Alam to go to class within 10 minutes only. Before I enter this university, I already graduate at Kolej Tingkatan 6 Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah at Kuala Selangor. In that college, I take Islamic Sharia course. So because of that, I got offer to this university and take Muamalat course, which is they have a connection each other, so I can improve my knowledge. I'm so thankful and grateful because this university, because my subject Muamalat course, there are a lot knowledge about Al-Quran, As-Sunnah, Islamic, and many things that encourage me to closer to Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I think it's a good thing for me because it can improve me to be a good person as a Muslim. Next, about quotes. I don't think I have one quote for me, but I have one important things to me, which is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Everything I do or everything I does in this life, whether is study, social media, or anything I do, I will prefer to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I'm always to be that's all for me.